This video is an introduction to Google Earth Web and part of a series of videos. These videos were made possible by AmericaView, VirginiaView, the Virginia Cooperative Extension, Colorado Mesa University, and Virginia Tech's College of Natural Resources and Environment. Funding for this project was provided by the United States Geological Survey under grant number G14A P00002. The contents of this video and the related written tutorial are solely the responsibility of the authors and do not represent the official views of the U.S. Geological Survey. Mention of trade names or commercial products does not constitute their endorsement by the United States government. This video accompanies Section 1 in Chapter 2 of a written tutorial titled Exploring Our Planet with Open Source Software. You can find the written tutorial at virginiaview.cnre.vt.edu/education or at americaview.org/exploringourplanet. Google Earth Web is an online GIS program designed for personal and educational purposes. You can find this program by entering the words Google Earth or Google Earth Web in your online search engine. Google Earth Web is designed to run in Chrome. Let's start by entering the Google Earth Web site. You first receive this page where Google Earth Web is loading into Chrome. Once loaded, you will see the Earth in the Map document window and icons on both the left and right side of the screen. In this video, we will introduce you to these icons. Details on how to use each one are covered in subsequent videos. The icons at the bottom right are for navigation. The first icon in the upper left corner is your menu. If you click on Menu, it opens and the first item showing is for signing into your Google Earth account. Do you have one of these? If you don't worry about it. You can use Google Earth Web without signing in, but if you have any files in Google that you want to use, have a Google Education account, or are part of a Google Classroom, then you do need to sign in. The next item is Search, but you can also click on the magnifying glass, which is under the menu icon, and in both instances you get the search window. To search, you type in a place name. Here we typed Paris, France. You then hit the Enter button and it zooms into your location. When zooming in, it also gives you a little dialog box with information on Paris. You can close this dialog box by clicking on the X in the upper right-hand corner. Now let's go back to Menu, and you see that the next item on Menu is Voyager. You can also select Voyager by clicking on the third icon down, the one that looks like a sailboat navigation wheel. What is Voyager? Voyager provides information on various locations across the world. We're not going to go into any more detail on Voyager. You can explore this on your own. For now, let's click on the fourth icon on the left side. Why this one? Because it sort of ties in with Voyager. It is called I'm Feeling Lucky. Click on it. It randomly selects locations across the Earth, so you can go on an exploratory tour without any preconceived notions as to where you may want to go. Now let's go back to Menu. The fourth item under Menu is My Places. My Places is also the fifth item fifth icon on the left side of the screen. What is My Places? This is where you can build your own maps and add external data. We have completed a separate video on using My Places. So let's go back to menu. Next item is called Map Styles. Yes, you can choose how you want your map document to appear. Again, we will discuss the options in another video. Back to menu. Next item is Photos. As you can see, the button is actually turned off. Click on it to turn it on. When you turn it on, your map document screen should now look like this and show round circles with individual photos for certain locations. Please note that we are still zoomed in to Paris, France. You can click on any one of these photos and it gives you more information on the feature. Let's go back to menu and click on Settings. You will get this screen. You may not see all of the information as I have screenshotted the information on the right after using the scroll bar that's on the left-hand side of the screen. You can change the individual settings if you don't like the speed and methods of flying around, and you can change the units of measurement, show or not show the zoom button. If you have questions on memory cache size, you should check with your school's IT department. We will discuss KML in a separate video. For now, these are individual settings for your choice, whether you want to increase your animation fly speed. These are individual preferences. Let's go back to menu and click on Feedback. Here you can contact Google if you have questions or are having a particular problem with Google Earth Web. Yes, you can actually include a screenshot of your map document window when contacting and sending feedback. I have included a before and after what the feedback will look like when including a screenshot. Let's go back to menu again and click on Help, a very important area. It takes you to the Google Help Center. Back to menu, and yes, at the very bottom of the menu bar where the words appear to be grayed out, they really aren't. You can click on additional information. Let's click on Tutorial. This takes you to that YouTube video on Google Earth, the video that we introduced you to when we did our general introduction to the Google Earth products. Go back to menu again, go down to the bottom, click on Terms. Before actually using Google Earth Web in your classroom, you need to read these terms of service. Or, for more information, please return to the Introduction to Google Earth Products on accessing terms of service on any Google Earth product. We still have one more icon to discuss. No, it's not on the menu, but it's actually the last icon on the left side. It's called Share. If you click on Share, you see many different methods to share the map you have created. We will discuss Share in more detail in another video. If you have any questions with regards to this video or the accompanying written tutorial, please contact Dr. Tammy Parise at Colorado Mesa University or Dr. James Campbell at Virginia Tech. The email addresses are shown on the screen.